this Milwaukee packout kit. I'm just going to give you my thoughts on it. Circle. Shoes inside here. So there's going to be compartments and stuff. The locking bits are good too, pretty sturdy. I'm just giving you my thoughts on it, what I think of it. Everything seems pretty good about it. The reason I got it was to fit my Milwaukee tools into it. Yeah. This is my old box, which I don't really like. Everything's just through into it, so I want to get a bit more organized. So hopefully all this can fit into this. I just want to give you a wee final walk around here. Got my tool bag. I'll start from the top, sorry. Screws, and keeping this for 4-inch screws. So you've got all your screws there. And this box, I have the tools that I use mostly, drill and impactor. I have all space for my bits and stuff. Just a couple of wee spawners and stuff in there. Just drill bits, spare tape. And the middle box, got my tool belt. I just keep a small one. Spare string line, always keep that. Tapes, Allen keys, drill sets, hammer, batteries, that wee screwdriver bit, reciprocating saw, circular saw, light, glasses, that's that. And then the bottom box, screwdrivers, pliers, yeah, planer, jigsaw, spare charger, grinder, a couple of wee bits and pieces there. And if you have a look at the old box, I was finding stuff that I was looking for ages, all in the bottom. So glad I got this box. Everything seems to be a lot more organized. So I'll maybe get back to you and see what I think when I use it for a couple of weeks. That's it. And as well, I was going to do a review on my work truck. So if you just want to see that, let me know. Or maybe even a workshop tour. but I'm not going to do that until I get the place organised. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.